All right, cool. Wait, make sure my audio is working. Yep. All right, welcome back to another trading day. Um, we're no longer at our all-time highs, which is good because we have some opportunity to actually trade. 2 a.m. high, took out 2 a.m. low already. This is a 2 p.m. low, but this is like a swing point pretty much. So I'll call it like just like a 4-hour low. We're gonna save this 4-hour low. And then I also have this 4-hour FVG. Oops. And then what else? This seems to be where we're heading. Like we've pretty much have swept this high. And we're now heading for this low here. Seems to be our next destination. It's also going to be our London high. Right. And our London low should have been taken. Let's see. Have that there for our. We'll do just a 4-hour low here as well. That's the farthest I'm gonna put it right now. 1 hour, 15-minute. We have no news today on Thursday. That's a little. I don't really have data on no news Thursdays. I have data on just like news Thursdays, but not really no news. Let me see what I have though before I even say anything. But we have pretty much a bunch of 15-minute gaps here. Go. We have all these gaps here, so that's pretty cool. It's crazy that we're about to create a 1 hour, but that's weird. We have 1, 2, 3, and we haven't created a 1 hour yet. Whatever though. Oh yeah, and then of course we have another 1 hour up here. Let's bring it up here. 1 hour, and then we have just this is gonna be oops. This is gonna be Asia plus all-time highs. Asia plus all-time highs. There you go, dude. Cool. So that's pretty much it, man. This is gonna be our nearest 15-minute low, and this is our nearest 15-minute high up here. Just kind of round it up to there, but yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna be selling off today, specifically to this 4-hour low here. Oops. Yeah, specifically to this 4-hour low. I'm expecting us to sell off into to take that. We'll see. Market's about to open. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's just like quickly flick through so we have any like equal highs or anything. Uno no ocho. You got me feeling like this. So, all right, about to open up with 9:30 right now. See what happens. It's a no news day, so could also be another no trade day as well. So I'm prepared to not trade. 35 there, bro. All right, so we take out the nearest 15-minute low, make them down to this low here. All right, let me open up my Tradevate and open up my position sizing. That way I'm ready. So we're on micros now. Yeah, on micros. All right, so this is our 9:30 wick up here, and we just took out the bottom. We're about to create soon a 1 minute. All right, so my evals, I'm risking. Oops, yeah. Yeah, evals, I'm risking 600, so I'll be doing 20 contracts. And then on my take profit account, I'll be running 10 micros. Okay, cool. So will I take this? It's before 9:35, but taps into here, taps into the. No, it doesn't tap into 9:30. I don't think I'll take this. Maybe that's something. I don't have data. I don't have data on this. Maybe Farid would take something like this if he, because it's before 9:33. He says if he takes it before 9:33, tends to deliver pretty well. It's like on this very next one if we do it. But the thing is, we have a 1 minute, 9:30, 1 minute here that I'm pretty sure we're already gonna want to deliver into. So, me personally, I'm not taking that shit. If we do get it presented. Made equal lows. Yeah, like this here. Like, that's very convincing. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Taking this here, 20 points, bang. 20 down to here. However, with this 1 minute being here, I'm gonna need some convincing. Yeah, so. Alright. Well, at least it hit 12 points already, so pretty sure Farid isn't on this. I'm not taking this because I don't have data. But now we come down to this 4-hour low. That's a pretty good target there. 4-hour low. And we closed. We closed 9 points too. But again, break a structure, blah, 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 blah. Probably would have been tagged out. Might break even there. Maybe. Do you have another gap here? Ah, yeah. Okay, looks like it hits it now. Crazy. All right, so it actually hit it now. Nice. All right, so 4 hour low. Bang. I would have been stopped at break even on that anyway because I'm trailing. All right, so now it's 9:35. We are officially able to do this. We're far enough away from the 9:30 now that I'm not gonna wait for it to retrace. We're barreling towards this 4 hour gap. Yeah, so I'm pretty certain this is gonna get hit here. So I'm extremely bearish. I'm waiting for this to. I'm wanting to see this get indicated here. Volume's pretty good today. Extremely good. So I just want to get involved. Take this out, bang. Yeah, but we may just keep plunging until we hit this gap. Imagine you get in on that. Let's see you trail, right? Bang, boom. You're here now. You're here now. Nice. You're here now. I'm trailing to like there. I'm moving that up real time. Obviously, this isn't me, obviously, in an actual position, but if you were trailing, bro, you'd be fucking eating right now. Yeah, like I'm going below this now. I'm not giving back any of this shit. Oops. And then I'd probably go midway here. Yeah, and I'd be tagged out. You catch all of this here. Catch 50 points. It's pretty good. Unfortunate, bro. Unfortunate. It's fine, though. Alright. Tapped into this 4 hour gap. We're moving through it with a lot of speed, so I really don't expect it to hold here. Like, we're trading below it right now. We're trading below the gap right now, so I could definitely see us coming down to this low. We have another 4 hour gap here. We may see some reaction from there, but let's see. Dude, you're just cooking right now. Fuck. Yep. Stops right here. Dude, we're just fucking barreling towards this. We're just dropping heavy right now. You just literally press sell and win. Nah, don't do that. Alright, let me just chill. Dude, we're just running all this liquidity. That's crazy. Just dumping, bro. Just running all of this liquidity. Boop, 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 boop. So this is where it's meant to test me psychologically because you feel like this FOMO of like, oh man, I missed this move and you could have ran it all the way down here. And but woulda, coulda, shoulda. This I don't have that on. I don't trade this. So no, we don't do that. So all good. Told you I love you. It doesn't mean that I can care. If I told you I love you, dun, 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 dun. Just ran all of this liquidity, just boop, 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 boop. Crazy. Cupid knows a letter. Unless you give it a try. Love won't matter unless you give it a try. Give it a try. No, she doesn't mean a time can you. All right, bro. Cupid doesn't matter. Unless you give it a try. You love won't matter. Yeah, so price seems like it's kind of just being a little exhausted. So I could definitely see us kind of push up a little bit because we just dropped fucking. We just dropped, 185 points. So I don't really see us continuing like to just dump like that again right now. We have to come back up a little bit and then potentially make its way back down. But crazy open, man. What an open. Unless you give it a try. True love won't matter. Do it unless you give it a try. So, of course, we're tapping into this gap here now. It's also a 1 minute, a 30-second, 1 minute. There's also a 30-second here. We're 2 minutes until 45, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm not gonna, yeah, close to 9:45, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm not gonna trade anything right now. It's like tempting because you see this, and you're like, dude, take a short on that. However, see what would happen if we did take that. Looks like a good trade. However, next to 45, I'm not convinced. It may not even close above. Didn't even close above. Crazy. Bang, bang, bow, bow, bow. You could say a 1 minute. It definitely turns into a 1 minute. Close below that line. Then we have a 1 minute. You might not even get a 1 minute, bro. What the hell, bro? Nope. 2, 1. Yeah, no. I don't know. I'll wait for 9:45 to actually do anything. So let's see. So we have this 5 minute here. A 5 minute. We've mitigated a 3 minute and a 2 minute. So we're currently respecting a 3 and 2 minute, but we have this 5 minute. And then new 15-minute candle. This is of course our opening range low. And then up top here, this is also our close opening range high. So yeah, you technically, again, just mechanically, you got this, but I'm not taking that because we literally have so many gaps that are being mitigated. We tap into this 5 minute, like we have another 5 minute above it. I'm going to take this and just see what the 50% mark is of this. Let's see. Why is this purple? Okay. Because this lets me know that, hey, we're trading above, you know, above or below or whatever. So if we're continuing to push on to here, we can target this next 5 minute. Next 5 minute there, which I mean seems like may happen. So if we come down into here now, I would definitely take something into that. Just inverse all these gaps here. So even though we're in a 5 minute, we come down, continue that. I will actually take a long there. 15 minutes. Yeah. So we haven't taken any side of the range yet, but right now we're filling in this 15 minute, right? And we're probably gonna create another 15 minute that we're gonna deliver off, or a 15 minute gap we're gonna deliver off of, but we'll see. All right, so we have this here. So again, we swept the 4 hour low, so we are having a cause for delivery. I really want to see this get. Okay, let me get this out the way. I really want to see an entry here. Make sure I'm not on my pro count. Oh, dude, we're just gonna fly right up to it. Damn. We're at 3 minute, 2 minute, the 3 minute that we're approaching right now. 2, 1. Yeah, unfortunate. I mean, we're already inside of it, so I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm not going to even really think about that right now. So obviously, way too far of a closure for us, but we have this 5 minute that we are inside of right now, creating some 2, 3 minutes. So we could definitely see a hard reversal here, but I gotta see the right things first. Just inverse this gap here. Yeah, so okay. So I mitigated 1 minute. I mitigated 2. Just tapped into the 3. So it's a little sketch to take something right now. Goddamn. Yeah, so I still may not even get anything here. All right, we tap into a 1 minute here. So 1 minute unmitigated above. Dude, but we're just fucking moving, dude. This is insane. Like, it's not even giving me a chance. Like, we're about to close through this here, potentially. Like, do I just hop in? Because what the fuck? This is insane. Alright, fuck it. We're gonna chuck one. Maybe. Inverses? No, I didn't inverse. Okay, we're not doing that. If we inversed, I was gonna chuck one of my evals on 20 points. But it didn't inverse. But it's cool. Dude, we're just flying, bro. Insane. Minimal pullback, just nothing, dude. I really want to see a pullback to let me get in, bro. But I don't think we'll get that. We're just flying way too much. Just a full-on reversal here. Insane. Come on, let me get in. Oh, there's one right there, actually. Didn't even see that. We have one here. We have so much volume today that it's actually like this is definitely good movement. All right. Hoping we get an opportunity here. I will absolutely buy on this. I'm probably gonna open it up on multiple accounts here. Okay. I want to see this get. Just hoping it doesn't like. Okay, bro. I just need to see a closure above that. We're in on that. Okay, even that I was still getting on. Not on my pro account though, just eval. Okay, see, now you're tweaking. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why'd you have to do that? Now I have to wait for a 1 minute, bro. Come on, cut. We got in. Let's see. Could have FOMO'd in, but I didn't want to. Look at that. See, I'd be in drawdown now. Potentially losing. We have a potential 2 minute, 3 minute. I want to see us come back down, mitigate these, and then continue the move. Because we've just expanded so much. So I want to see that. However, that may not work out that way. Because I want to leave these targets, bro. Let's see, did it come down 15 points? Remember, I'm running 15s. Yeah, no, it didn't. So, man, of course, right? Fucking nay, man. It's really frustrating today because it's like I see where price is going. I have the thing, but just not getting an entry. You know, this isn't suitable for me. Unfortunate. All right, well, I don't know. We probably have to start moving with some crazy speed. We took out the opening range high. Tap into that. We could run up to the second one, but I'm not going to count on it right now. What a pain, bro. All right. I'm inside of this right now. We just tapped into this 15-minute gap. I believe we could run to that, so I will take this if we get it. Let's see, 1 minute. Potential 3 minute. Gotta see. We close more than 50%. I'm not taking that. And this is out of the picture. So when we have a 5 minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait. And we're approaching 10 o'clock anyway, so. Yeah. It's frustrating when you see price just move so nicely and then none of it satisfies your entry criteria. It's just like, come on, man. Really? I really wanted to enter on this one. However, swept the high. And at least on the 1 minute didn't do anything. But this one, I was like, dude, even if it closes above here, I'm getting in on that. Closes above the high. I'm like, come on, bro. Give me a break. Sweeps. It's like, so annoying. But it's fine, man. Whatever. Always another day. Yeah, we closed already below that 50%. I won't take this. Yeah, it's even like hindsight. None of this I still won't take any of this because don't have data. Longing right into an unmitigated gap. Right, longing into an unmitigated gap. I think there was like a what? 5, 3. Yeah, there's like another 5 minute or something. Let's see. Yeah. This one. This one also longing straight. We just closed right into a 5 minute gap. So I'm thinking, bro, we can absolutely deliver off of this here. I'm not expecting that we're gonna have a full on reversal. This one didn't meet the rules. This one didn't meet the rules. It's like, bro, there's 4 opportunities today, but none of them fit my criteria. Just like, hi, bro. It's frustrating. So it's like, come on, bro. Let's see. Shit. Let me lock in real quick. All right, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock opens. Is it possible for us to come up here? It is, but I don't know, bro. We've hit the previous 15-minute high. So shorts are a little less likely for me here. I will absolutely take a long here though. We get it. Let's see. I just gotta be ready. If we don't get closure, that'll be beautiful. But we do, so that's fine. A 5-minute. Okay. Just kind of wait. All right, I gotta pay attention. All right, probably gonna close below, maybe. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's cooked. Could take an IPG setup, but yeah, I'm not convinced on that. Yeah, so these are all of my attempts, or not attempts, but yeah, these are all like the potential opportunities that were there. However, I didn't take any. Because, and I still am glad I didn't take any. Just because they don't fit my criteria. Today they worked, but like closing to a 5-minute gap unmitigated. We longing into a unmitigated 5-minute. Right? I don't have data on this. Is before 9:35. This one it swept the high. Doesn't follow the criteria. So like, yeah, I missed out on all these, but I just know that if I was taking these mechanically without any context, then these are all wins, which is annoying as fuck. But it's cool, bro. Whatever. We have this gap right here. We have a 3 minutes that we're remitigating. We just tapped into a 5-minute, 2-minute, 3. Okay, so we just tapped into a 5, which is good. I don't know where we would deliver it to though. I kind of want us to move lower. Yeah, remitigated a 3-minute. Should be also be data highs as well. Wait, no, we don't have news today, so there's no data highs. Yeah, bro. I mean, we got a remitigation of this. Bro, don't tell me I missed that. That's a little fucking annoying. Oh my god, I just missed that. Okay. I want to see this get hit here. Do we have anything obstructing? No. Okay. All right. Let's see. Do we catch something here? Okay. Bro, there's no way, right? And it sweeps the high. Bro, like, this shit's a joke. Another one. Swept the high. All right, let's get rid of all this, bro. Yeah. All right. Let's see if we get this one now. We got a remitigation, swept all the entries. If we get this... Wait, what are we even targeting, bro? Our 6 a.m. high up there. Pretty... Yeah. I mean, we just tapped into this 15 minute... Like, what are we even targeting, bro? You know? We've already tapped into this 15-minute gap. We're targeting now. It trades through this gap. Come on now. So we tapped into this here. Yeah. Yeah. Right now, there's really nothing for me to target, if I'm being honest. So I think I'm done trading for today. Quite unfortunate, man. Quite unfortunate. There's nothing for me to target, so I mean, tap into this. You know, unless I'm gonna take a short towards some of these unmitigated gaps. We tap into a 3-minute unmitigated. I think the dogs have to be fed. But whatever, bro. All right, all good. Oh, I do have to trade on my hold on. I gotta trade on my pro account real quick because otherwise I lose that shit. So we're gonna go run micros. We're gonna switch to just one micro, turn this shit off, the ATMs, and we're just going to see what happens here. All right, I have to hold it for a minute. So just wait and see, I guess. Hoping we inverse this and continue down but we'll see. 2, 1. That's not good. Well, that's lovely, bro. I got in here, basically. A little bit higher, but I'm fucking getting cooked right now. Because you might want to come up to these unmitigated gaps. That's so fucking annoying. Okay, just hold it for a couple more seconds. And then close here. Ideally, I don't want to lose here, but okay. I'm closing that out. All right, so lost $42 on that, man. Real fucking annoying. Yeah. All right, whatever. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. So now. Was this even the right pro count? This wasn't even the right pro account, bro. Oh my god. I gotta do this shit again. That's annoying. Alright, I'm in another position. Am I about to get cooked? I don't know. We just swept these lows, so I'm hoping we don't keep on going higher. Bro, why are we going higher? Stop it. Dude, there's no way. And I have to hold this because this is some bullshit, bro. Because I have to hold it for a minute. I can't just open and close. This is crazy. What a fucking pain. Like, my brain's telling me we're gonna come to here. And guess what? I'm not longing there. I'm shorting right now. And guess what? Absolutely cooked. Oh my god, bro. As soon as this closes, I'm going to cut my position. Okay. And I lost $44 on that. That's so fucking annoying with that rule, bro. It's like I have to hold for a minute. And then shit like this happens. Yeah. It's fine. And then every single week. It's like, come on, man. Give me a break. But I guess it's better than losing, you know, $300 on a forced trade. So it's all good. All right, let's go ahead and make sure all positions are closed. Oh, frustrating day, man. Real frustrating. Yeah, so we'll just upload this and call it a day. All right, done.